7-quart capacity, size to fit a 7-pound chicken or 5 pounds roast, great for family dinners, potlucks or parties. Flexible programming options, more programming options than Crock-Pot Smart-Pot slow cooker. Mix and match time and temp, choose from high, low or warm for either 2, 4, 6, 8 or 10 hours. No watching or stirring needed. When cooking time is up, slow cooker automatically shifts to warm. Easy to clean, removable stoneware crock and glass lid are dishwasher safe. Crock-Pot and Smart-Pot are registered trademarks of Sunbeam products. Use of the Crock-Pot or Smart-Pot trademark does not imply any affiliation with or endorsement by Sunbeam products. The Hamilton Beach Programmable 7-quart slow cooker's large capacity is the perfect size for family dinners, entertaining or sharing your latest dish with friends. There's no need to monitor the cooking process. Flexible programming options let you choose from high, low or warm for either 2, 4, 6, 8 or 10 hours, so your meal will be ready when you are. Once cooking time is up, the slow cooker automatically switches to warm. Easy, flexible programming options use the Easy Clean touchpad to choose from high, low or warm temperature settings in 2, 4, 6, 8, or 10 hours of cooking time. A countdown timer displays remaining cooking time. 7-quart capacity brings 7 quarts of hot food to potlucks or parties anytime with the Hamilton Beach Programmable 7-quart slow cooker. It is the perfect size for a 7 pounds chicken or 5 pounds roast. Top reviews from the United States. Best ever. Our old slow cooker, different brand, from QVC, finally kicked the bucket after 16 plus years. We tried another popular brand from Amazon, but there were major defects in both the first one we received, and the replacement, which had the same really serious issues. They both ran much too hot, but we have to thank Amazon for their speedy return and refund policy. So after doing a little research we selected this Hamilton Beach 6-quart and are very happy with it. Not only does it look great on our counter, but it performs exactly as we wanted. The controls are easy to use, and the timer is perfect for our needs. We would highly recommend it.